Hello, I'm the ghost of John Adams. Yes, I have many interesting stories to tell, such as when I became the second president of the U.S. But today I want to tell you one story concerning my death. It is thought I died of natural causes, but this is not true. This is a lie. How could a great man like me die of natural causes? Yes, the truth is I do not know how I died.
You could ask yourself a question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
And as I remember, I was not feeling lucky.